Madam Second Deputy Speaker, as I was saying, that the Sona was full of untrue and was not faithful and unjust to Malawians. Therefore, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, we have lost all the trust that we had in the President and his office, and he has committed a very serious breach of the Constitution and the oath that he swore to protect. We, the people of Blantyre City Southeast, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, are demanding that the Sona be scrapped off from the Hansard and that the President should tender his resignation immediately. Failing which, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, this House should move to impeach the President who came to give this House untrue stories. This is a very honorable House. Thank you so much, Madam Second Deputy Speaker. I submit.